Good morning students, I am Vetri Chelvi from Vetri and Vetri Neat Chemistry. Today I am going to give the video to the topic of ionic equilibrium. Now let us see the first question is solubility product of silver bromide is 5 into 10 power minus 13. Quantity of potassium bromide molar mass is 120 to be added to 1 liter of 0.05 m solution of silver nitrate to start the precipitate of silver bromide is option is given. So now let us see what are the things are given is two chemicals are given. The solubility product, let me write the given data, solubility product of silver bromide is. Now let me write the given data, solubility product of silver bromide is equal to 5 into 10 power minus 13. Quantity of potassium bromide to be added to 1 liter of 0.05 m of silver nitrate. Now let me write the chemicals reacting. Silver nitrate plus potassium bromide gives silver bromide plus potassium nitrate. This is the equation is going to form, and for the silver bromide the solubility product is given. Regarding this chemical silver nitrate, concentration is 1 liter of 0.05 m. Here I am writing volume of solution is 1 liter. Concentration is 0.05 m of silver nitrate solution added to the potassium bromide. Regarding potassium bromide, only molar mass is given. Molar mass is 120 gram per mole. Okay, they are asking how much amount of potassium bromide should be added. This is the question. Now, what is the basic knowledge is for any sparingly soluble salt. Now, it is given as the silver nitrate solution with 1 concentration. They are adding potassium bromide and the sparingly soluble salt silver bromide is going to form. If it is has to form in, its ionic product should be greater than the solubility product. Now let us see the ionic product of your silver bromide, or I can write which is equal to solubility product. Ionic product should be greater than the solubility product, then it starts to precipitate. It is the knowledge. Now this solubility product we are going to take ionic product. Let me write 5 into 10 power minus 13 is the solubility product of your silver bromide is equal to concentration of your, that is your silver ion, and the concentration of your bromide ion. Now let me write what is the concentration of silver ion is here. Here, since it is the strong electrolyte, concentration of the solution is the concentration of the ion. What is the concentration of the solution? Concentration is equal to molarity into volume. So 0.05 into 1, that is equal to 0.5. So your silver is 0.5 mean I can write as a 5 into this is. Let me write concentration of silver ion is equal to 0.05 into 1. That is, you can write as a 5 into 10 power minus 2. So this is I am writing here 5 into 10 power minus 2 is the concentration of silver ion. Bromide ion concentration we should calculate. Now here solubility product is given. 5 into 10 power minus 13. So this is question mean you bring this is here next side. So 5 into 10 power minus 13 divided by 5 into 10 power minus 2. This is getting cancelled. Minus 2 here it is become plus 2. So what you are getting is on cancelling 10 power minus 11 you will get. That is the concentration of Br minus. Okay, now they are asking the weight of bromide is the question. Okay, now let us see what is the formula of concentration is. I will write bromide concentration is equal to, always concentration is molarity, that is equal to number of moles divided by the total volume. Now let us write the concentration is what is it, 10 power minus 11 is equal to, what is n is equal to, number of moles equal to given weight by molar mass. Molar mass is given in the sum 120 gram per mole here. So now this is the number of mole divided by volume, total volume. It is given as the 1 liter. Now this should be calculated. Now bring the 1 on the next side. So now this has become 10 power minus 11 into 1 is equal to W by 120. So now W is equal to 10 power 11 into 120 is equal to, that is amount of your potassium bromide. Now here the option, let us go and see the option 120 into 10 power minus 11. Here it is, there is no 120 with the sum. So now let us go and find to convert as a 1.2. So now this is on division, it is coming as a 1.2. So it is divided, it should be multiplied by the 100. So it's become 10 power minus 9. So your answer is 1.2 into 10 power minus 9 gram. So C is the option. Okay, now children, again I am repeating, the basic knowledge is solubility product should be, this is the knowledge. When ionic product is greater than solubility product, it is about to start to precipitate. Now let us take it as a, is equal to, let us consider. The solubility product is written here in the sum, 5 into 10 power minus 13 is written here. So solubility product is equal to the product of the ions. Here silver ion first you are taking, and then bromide ion concentration we are calculating. After calculation of the bromide ion concentration, that is equal to N by V. From the N by V, what is number of moles is given with the molar mass. So here we are using different formulas. First formula is main is, this is one. Next one, how you can calculate the concentration is second formula. The third formula is how it can be converted in the number of mole. The fourth formula is how we can convert it the weight. So this question with a lot of knowledge we are expecting for this year NEET. Let us go to the next question. Okay, ma'am. Now this is the simple equilibrium. Equilibrium constant are given for the following two equilibrium. A2 plus B2 gives some one product, and then AB gives, this is for each one the, what is it called, equilibrium constant is given with their corresponding unit. Calculate the equilibrium constant for the following equilibrium. So they are giving the, this equilibrium you have to develop from the, what is a given equilibrium. Now let us just have a glance. What is given is ABC on the reactant side. Here you see here ABC on the product side. So what we should do is the second equilibrium you write as a inverse. Now first let me write the inverse. 2ABC is equal to 2AB plus C2, and the value should be inverse, means it should be a reciprocal. So nu K nu, let me write as a K nu, this is I am writing as a nu is equal to 1 by 2 into 10 power minus 2, and the unit is reverse, mean here it is mole per liter. Okay, now this is this equation. Now let us see the other part. What we are having is of A2, B2 of all are the of. Let us see what is happening here. Here A2, B2 are this side, on reactant side should be come on the product side. Okay, let me write the first equation. Second equation I am reversing. Now let me write 2AB is equal to, what is it, A2 plus B2. Here it is again, it is corresponding nu, and from this value you can write 1 by 2 into 10 power minus 4. The unit is not given, just ignore it. Next, finally what we have to do is, here still work was there. Here you can see this is, let me start from here. ABC is the 1, here it is 2. That means what? This is multiply. So the second equation is given as a 2, whereas what you want is only 1. So this one should be divided by 2. You can get this the resultant. So this equation I am dividing by 2. So that is getting cancelled, and this is 1 by 2. So overall this is you are dividing by 2, mean this one you have to find out the square root. This is the knowledge. First reversing, writing reciprocal. Here you are dividing, so you are finding the square root. Now let us go to the second equation. Second, here it is A2, B2. Here what we want is half. So what we have to do is, for this also, this is, you have to divide by 2, you will get this. So this equation I am dividing. This equation I am dividing. So divide by 2. So this is getting cancelled. This is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. Now you add it. AB and AB getting cancelled. This is ABC. It gives half A2 plus half B2 plus of C2. The final equation is ready. So ultimately what we have to multiply these two. That one I am bringing. What is the K? Let us have this is I am keeping K1 new and K2 new. The ultimate, this is product of this. Okay, now let me write square root of 1 by 2. Here the denominator is into 10 power minus 2. And let me write the unit here, mole into square root of 1 by 2. Here it is 10 by minus 4. So what we are getting is, here 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4. And here in the denominator minus 2 minus 4, minus 6. And then here the thing what we have to do is, here it is written as a inverse only. Then what we have to do is, we did the square root. So that work I have to do for this unit. Now let us simplify this. Square root of 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 into 10 power. Here it is bringing a numerator 10 to the power of plus 6, coming out 10 to the power of 6. So it is 10 to the power of 3, taking the square root. So what is 1 by 2 is 0.5 into 10 power 3. Now what you are getting is 500. Let us see the work for the unit is, here already written there. So find out the unit work is mole to the power of minus 2, liter to the power of minus. This is your unit. So 500 into, now let us see the answers. You are having 500. Let us verify the unit. Here it is mole 1 by 2 and the liter minus 1 by 2. Mole 1 by 2, liter minus 1 by 2. So this is the answer. So the short difference is only the unit. So while you are doing, please careful. So how we have to do is, this is very expecting pattern. The final equilibrium you have to derive from the given equilibrium. Step by step, the same work you have to do it. Finally, the unit also you have to do carefully, then write the answer. Now let us go to the next question. This is the previous year 2018 question. This is NEET 2018 question. Okay, so the way how they are asking. Following solutions were prepared by mixing of different volume of sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. pH of which one of them will be equal to 1. So you are provided the 4 solution which is having pH is equal to 1. Let us start to do. They ask pH is equal to 1 mean negative log of hydrogen ion concentration is equal to 1. Do here what is the simplification? Minus is here I want to cancel, so here it's become minus. Log of H plus equal to hydrogen ion concentration is equal to anti-log of this, that is 10 power minus 1. So what I want, I should get it. The hydrogen ion concentration should be 10 power minus 1. This is I am first fixing. Now let us do each one by one. I am doing for the A first solution. What is given is hydrochloric acid NaOH, some volume. Let me write the volume is 60 ml and then concentration is m by 10. So now already I told the molarity is equal to volume into, that is called a molarity, not molarity, I am correcting, it is called number of mole. This is number of mole is equal to volume into molarity. Now what is the volume is say? So what is the number of mole I am getting is what is called 6 is the mole of hydrochloric acid. Like that you can find out for sodium hydroxide. This is the formula. Volume into molarity. What is the volume is 40 ml into 1 by 10. What you are getting is 4. It is the NaOH. So this is the formula, children. So many sums I told. number of moles is equal to volume into molarity. We should calculate all the chemical, in the sum, all the chemical volume molarity converted into a number of mole. Then only we can compare for the stoichiometry. The first stage I am converting is the number of mole. So here what is it? 6 mole of hydrochloric acid with 4 mole of NaOH. So what is getting cancelled is 4 and 4 is getting cancelled. So what is balancing is 2 mole of hydrochloric acid is balanced divided by, this is number of mole. So what is it? Concentration is equal to N by volume total. Okay, now this is the form. Number of mole is 2 is left out. What is the total volume is, you can add it, 60 plus 40 is the 100. So now what is the concentration is 2 into 10 power minus 2. What I want is only 10 power minus 1. So this is not the answer. So like this we have to go one by one. Let me go for B. I will do here as it is. 55 into M by 10. You do, this is hydrochloric acid. What we are getting is 5.5. Same thing for NaOH. What we are getting is 45 into 1 by 10. You can do it fast. That is called 4.5. So what is the difference is, you are getting them. 1 is the difference. So 1 mole is available. Now this is divided by total volume. Again total volume is, you can find it here itself. 55 plus 45. 55, 45, 100. So what you are getting is 10 power minus 2. What I want is 10 power minus 1. So this is in the second case. Now let us go to the third case. 75. I am doing here third one. See, 75 into 1 by 5. Getting cancel and 1, 5. Okay, now in the sodium hydroxide, 25 by 5 of course. So getting cancelled 5. So what is the difference? 5 moles with 5, you are having 10 moles of your hydrochloric acid is ready. Should be converted to a concentration divided by total volume. What is the total volume is 75 plus 25 is the 100. So 10 by 100 is equal to, now what you are getting is 1 by 10 is equal to 10 power minus 1. What I want is only 10 power minus 1. So since these are the matching hydrogen and concentration, so answer is C. I am deciding, and let us verify in the condition of your D. What is the D is 100 into 1 by 10. So what you are getting is 10 is the hydrochloric acid. What is the basis? 100 into 1 by 10. So what is getting cancelled is 10. So what is, both are equal of course. So what is, both are getting cancelled. So solution is neutral. So like that we are eliminating, and the final answer is your C. So like this is the 2018 question. Okay, thank you children.